In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze form submission data in HubSpot. Whether you're managing a small startup or a large enterprise, understanding your form data is crucial for optimizing marketing strategies and enhancing customer interactions. By the end of our time together, you'll feel confident navigating HubSpot to comprehensively analyze the data collected from your forms. Let's get started by first heading over to the HubSpot homepage. This is where it all begins. Simply open your web browser and type in hubspot.com to get to the site. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar and user-friendly interface that HubSpot is known for. Next, what you need to do is log into your account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it and then enter your login credentials. If you're new to this, remember that these should be the email address and password you registered with. Make sure your information is correct to avoid any hassle getting into your account. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot homepage. This is your central hub for all your tasks, insights, and tools available on the platform. Now, let's move on to the marketing section, which is where you can really dive into the nitty-gritty of your campaigns and data. Once you're on the homepage, look for the marketing tab. Clicking on this will guide you into a selection of options specific to marketing tools and insights. Again, HubSpot's design is intuitive, so you should easily find what you need. From this menu, choose Forms. This area of HubSpot is particularly powerful as it collects all the form submissions your business has received. Now that you're in the Forms section, you want to locate and click on Analyze. This is where the magic happens. By clicking Analyze, you'll be able to view detailed data regarding your form submissions. It's a comprehensive dashboard that provides insights into submission metrics, helping you understand customer behavior and the effectiveness of your forms. As you work through the analysis, take note of patterns or anomalies in the data. Look for trends in submission times, completion rates, and any correlation with your marketing efforts. Each insight can offer actionable information to enhance your customer engagement and optimize your forms for better results. Remember, regularly analyzing your form submission data can reveal valuable insights into your audience's preferences and needs. It's an ongoing process that can significantly improve your marketing strategies and drive business growth. Keep exploring these analytics and adapt your tactics accordingly to achieve the best outcomes. That's it for today's tutorial. You're now equipped to take full advantage of HubSpot's robust form analysis tools. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.